In number bonds, 2 or more bubbles add to make a bigger bubble. 85 can be made with 33, and it is the same as 85 minus 33 equals what? The answer is 52. Now, the bubble of 24 can be made with 11 and which number? You can solve it by subtracting 11 from 24. The answer is 13, 46, and which number makes 68? Or what is 68 minus 46? The answer is 22. 37 and a number makes 98. What is that number? That number is 98 minus 37 equals 61. 76 can be made by adding 41. And which number? Answer is 76 minus 41 equals 35. 23 and a number added together make 63. The number is? The answer is 63 minus 23 equals 40. 85 can be made by adding 34. And which number? The answer is 85 minus 34 equals 51.